I'm doing an edit comp. Rules, use the clips provided. The longest the video can go is 15 seconds. Please put a watermark, don't steal, and be creative. Prizes first, edit with me, friend request, shout out, sub for me. Second, friend request, shout out, sub for me. Third, shout out and a sub for me. And fourth and fifth, get a sub for me. I'll add more prizes depending on how many entries. Here are the clips.
You're now listening to Countdowns Radio.
Some ice on my wrist so I look better when I dance. Have you looking at it, put you in a trance? I just wanna rollie with a dapper ranch. I already got some designer to hold on my pants.
The due date is October 1st. Please try to post between September 11th and 27th. Make sure to have fun and be creative.